Tired of your wood fillers not performing up to your standards? Always drying out before you even had a chance to use it? Well, don't worry, you're in luck.
That's right, say goodbye to that old dried up filler and hello to Wurth's new fill and finish. Today I'll be showing you everything that you need to know about it on today's Wurth Advantage. Wurth's new fill and finish fills nails and screws like a putty should, and so much more. Just add water to thin it out, environmentally safe, easy to clean up, and it's zero waste. Now, Wurth's fill and finish is water-based, which is very nice, and it is available in 12 colors. Now, one of the features you recognize right off the bat is when you open this lovely product, this just so happens to be ebony, your putty knife actually fits. Other putties, not so much. So Wurth's new fill and finish is available in two different sizes. We have 16 ounce right here, and we also have 3.9 pounds right here. And 3.9 pounds is roughly 62.5 ounces, if you're wondering. And once this filler is all dry, it acts like real wood. You can saw it, nail it, screw it, route it, drill it, paint it, stain it, sand it. Everything is possible. Now, another really great feature is if you leave this product out in your van, truck, overnight, and it freezes on you, it won't ruin it. All you have to do is let it sit, maybe put it right by the heater in your shop, at the customer's house, thaw it back out to room temperature, and it is ready to go. Now, not only is this a wood filler, it is also a grain filler. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of wood filler right here on my scrap wood to show you. Now I'm gonna add just your normal old generic household water to this wood putty. Now I'm just gonna basically thin it out. Easy as that. If I put too much water, add a little filler. No big deal. Guess what? If you put too much down and you don't need it and you have leftovers, put it back in the container. It's ready for next time. Now I got the consistency pretty thin, but I have some oak plywood here, and I just want to fill the grains. As you know, oak is a very porousy, grainy type of wood. It's wide open and ready to take this filler right in all the holes. Also, water brings this putty right back to life. Say someone left the cap off of your wood putty. With normal wood putty, you'd be in trouble. There ain't no bringing this stuff back. Wurth's fill and finish can be dried out completely. Just add water to reconstitute it and bring it right back to life. Now, another really cool, great thing that this product can do is it can be tinted with any stain, dye, water-based or solvent-based, you name it, it will tint this to the color you're looking for. Now, just for camera's sake, so it shows up really well on the screen, I am using white. Normally, you're gonna wanna use the natural. Now, I have a solvent-based stain that I'm gonna add to this white and mix it around. Look at that color. Even though this is an oil-based stain mixed with a water-based product, I can also add water to this and thin it out to be grain filler, edge filler, you name it. So now MDF is known for sucking up paint on the edge of it. Let's fix that. Take this product just for fun and fill that MDF edge that just loves soaking up paint. Once this dries, all you have to do is sand it, and guess what? Paint sucking up into MDF is gonna be a thing of the past. And there's more. If you add exterior wood glue and mix it in with your wood putty, it's ready for the outdoors. Thanks so much for tuning in on today's Wurth Advantage, and we'll see you next time.